Um, Good morning, students. I hope all of you fine. Okay, what we discussed in a previous class? We discussed that in unit number 2, bird's eye view, that we done many things in online classes. So today in our class that we discussed number activity 4, and in that activity we see one pictures, and after that just we noticed that which kinds of colors of that snakes, and here giving some images of a different four snakes which is look like a same at a one view. When we first time see that the four snakes are look like equal or same in colors also, in size and also, and other things, but the person who is know very well, to understand very well the snake or the creatures, reptiles, they can easily understand that which snake is different from which persons. Okay, let me see further. Let I show you first of that snakes. See all of you, this is the four kinds of different types of snake which is giving to us that 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. To see these snakes, all of you notice that which kinds of snake is it. So the colors at the first way it is look like a same, but each and every snake has a different dimensions, and there is a different things in that. See, okay, see all of you, see, all of you see that there is a four types of snakes pictures are giving here, and all are looking same at the first way, but all are not same. They all are different in colors also, size also, poisonous or unpoisonous also. Okay, first of all I want to say that snake is came in the animals of reptiles animals. Okay, many reptiles are cold blooded also. Okay, it is not in book, but for the sake of your knowledge, many reptiles are cold blooded also and hot blooded also. Cold blooded is live in on earth on the regions of northern sides, and hot blooded mostly found in the regions of oceans and sea and that kinds of areas. Okay, so they need why we call it a cold blooded and hot blooded, because which kinds of atmospheres is there and which kinds of atmosphere they want to live. So by that way we decide that these reptiles is cold blooded or a hot blooded. Okay, so okay, in human being that we are a cold blooded or a hot blooded. We all are hot blooded, because if our blood is become cold, so we are not live or we can't survive. Okay, if our blood is freeze or become freezing in our body, so our body is done like a blast. We put a bomb on our blood on our body, and it is become blast. So we are human beings are hot blooded. So at the same way there is a many kinds of species on the earth who are cold blooded also and hot blooded also. So here in these pictures that we see four different types of snakes are there. Okay, so here in first there is a red, yellow and black stripes on that snake. In the comparison to second, it is a thin or a thin, second one is thin, and first one is not a thin. So all the four are different in colors also, and their size also, and stripes also, and some are poisonous also and some are not. A careful descriptions uses many details with different nouns and adjectives. A careful description can also help to make a comparisons. Okay, here to compare is one to the another snakes. Now look at these pictures for snakes. One of the snakes is very dangerous. From that, one is too much dangerous, and the other three are harmless and can be helpful to humans. Okay, all the snakes are not harmful for human beings. Some are not bite even also. They are not bite to the human being also. Some are useful for us also. So that's why what happened to the snakes? Many people killed the snakes. So many people are killed such a kinds of snakes for to use that in a medicine and whatever they want. The skins of snakes are also using nowadays in art and craft and make some things to decorate the houses. Okay, so for that purpose also people are kill the snakes. Okay, then sometimes people kill the helpful snakes because they cannot see the difference between them. What happened actually in our farm, in our garden or at our home, we are not familiar with the snakes, that it is poisonous or not poisonous, harmful or unharmful. So what happened, people is not aware about that, so they are kill that particular snakes and they don't know how it is harmful for our environment, because each and every species which are live on earth, it is small or big, okay, tiny or bigger, all are equal importance to rights to live, and all are important for our environment and ecology to take it good as a long time. Okay, so imagine that here one activity is giving that in your farm or at your house there is such a kinds of snakes is shown by you, and you don't know and how that snakes is poisonous or unpoisonous. So and you don't have a camera that you have to click the photo of that snakes. So you have phone that you are called to your friends and inform to them that you are find one snakes on your garden or at your home, and your friend is familiar with that and he or she has a book related to these kinds of animals and related to the snakes. So you have a phone and your friend have a not a fawn or not a snake, but he has a book. So he explained from to book related to the snake, and you are informing him, you are giving some information to him that snakes is look like of this kinds of colors, this type of straps, dots, everything is there. So your friend is suggesting that you that this snakes is poisonous or not poisonous. So this activity we have to done, but actually but we are not actually done this activity, but for the sake of your information, that if you don't know, have any knowledge, then you have to ask to another people that before killing that animals or before killing the snakes, you have to take some information regarding of that it is harmful for us or not, it is poisonous or not. So these kinds of activities done here. In now which kinds of different thing is there? So here I have written stripes, okay, dashes, dots, patches, rectangles, triangles, diamonds and squares. That kinds of patches mostly we see in all the snakes on their body. So whenever you see any snakes, then you have to must notice that there is a stripes, dashes are there, dots are there, patches are there, rectangles, triangle, diamonds and squares are there. And the snakes are came in all the colors. There are white color snakes also, greens also, black, white, red, orange, green, each and every colors there is okay in a snakes. So it is difficult for a common people to understand that which kinds of snakes is harmful for us or not, and which kinds of snake is not harmful for our to human being. So this is the activity number 4. Let me see the activity number 5. In activity number 5, whatever we have to do, then choose one snake. Okay, choose one snake from that and write something related to about in a book. So in this activity, okay, we see that here we talk about name Texas coral snake. Texas coral snakes. Texas coral snake. In that Texas coral snake is have rings of black, yellow and red around their bodies. Okay, it has a rounded black, yellow, red, that kinds of yellow, red, black. The same way black, red, yellow, black, yellow, red. That way, in the same way, in the all the bodies of the snake from here to black, yellow, red, black, yellow, red, black, yellow, red, black, yellow, red. Okay, that kinds of colors round in a stripes is there. Then the yellow rings are very thin compared to the black and red rings. Means yellow is a thin and another is a thin. Okay, see that much. Okay, then see these kinds of yellow is thin, then black and red is a dark, means broad, that kinds of stripes on that. And the red rings of Texas coral snakes typically have a scattered black speckles in them. Okay, the last several inches of the tail of the Texas coral snakes contains several rings of blacks and yellow without the red rings. Means at the last there is not a yellow color is found. Here is found black, black and red, black and red, black and red, black and yellow found colors. All of you see that in a pictures. See, this is the pictures of a Texas coral snake. It is called, what is the name of this snake? Texas coral snake. Texas coral snake. And what is about that? The red and yellow bands touch and the coral snake's head or noise is typically black. Okay, the head of is a black. Head is a black. Black in a color. The head is a black. Then nose is also the nose is also black. The nose is also black in a color. The hair is black and the nose is also black, and the tail is yellow and black, and the whole body is yellow, black, red, yellow, black, red, and yellow is a thin and both red and black is a broad. Okay, that way it is look like. What is the name of this snake? Then Texas coral snakes. Okay, Texas coral snake. Then Texas coral snakes have a small fixed fangs in the front of their mouths. All of you know what is the fixed fangs. Okay, fixed fangs in the front of their mouth. There is a fang here in the mouth of here. There is a fang, F-A-N-G, near to his mouth here. Okay, fang is available there. Okay, then another thing is, okay, here it written that venomous snake. What is the meaning of venomous snake? V-E-N-O-U-M-O-S. Then venomous snake. What is the meaning of venomous? Means too much poisonous snake. Venomous means too much poisonous snake. Okay, it is the synonyms of the venomous. Okay, poisonous means venomous and venomous means poisonous snakes. So coral, okay, Texas coral snakes is poisonous or not? Yes, it is the poisonous snakes. Then what was the other thing is there? Texas coral snakes have rings on his body. Okay, the another thing is what? There is a rings in his body. Okay, then in his body and black, yellow and red color around their bodies. Then give details the last sentence. last the tail is in a black and yellow color. There is not a red is available. So this is activity number 6 about the Texas coral snakes. Related to this, we are not done these portions, we have done just these portions. Okay, new words what we learn. Venomous. Venomous, it means poisonous, means whenever it is bite to any people or any persons or any another animal, then they can harmful for that, maybe they are caused a death if it is a bite. Okay, the bite of these snakes, what is named Texas coral snakes, it is harmful for to human also and for the another insects or animals and birds also. If it is bite, then maybe it is cause of death. Then let us see another activity, activity number 7. In activity number 7, that in activity number 7 we have two pictures of all of you know very familiar with this. From to the your KG section you have to learn about this. That this is turtle. All of you know that turtle 1 and 2, but both are different in a regions. Both are living in a different region. Let me see. Very first is a sea turtle and leather green turtle and another one is a green sea turtle. Okay. First is the loggerhead sea turtle and another green sea turtle. Okay. What is the difference in that? Let me see. Let us see. Okay, very first legged sea turtle. Okay, it has a large head and a front jaw. Okay, it had a large head. It had a large head rather than this. This had a large head. This had a small head. So this is the difference between two that we have to write that. Then green turtle had like lizards and has a zoo. Is both of have a zoo. Zoo means this jaw. Both have a zoo, but both have a different. It has a big and it has a small. Then another thing is what? Okay, it is a reddish brown color. First one is always in a reddish brown color in always, and another one is a this is a grey, brown and green color. This is a reddish brown color always, and this is grey, green, brown color. This one. Okay. Then another thing is about it is mainly found in the leather one sea, and it is found in a green sea always. Then another thing is it is live in a pair always. It is live in a pair always, means whenever we see it is not alone, it is live in a pair. Okay. Then another, these also live in a pair but sometimes not found. It is maybe seen in alone. Okay, or sometimes it is seen alone. Then another thing is it has a 5 central scutes and 4 pairs of lateral. Okay, means 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. The same thing is there. Legs and hands is there. Both have a same. What is the difference only there is between? Then it is a yellow reddish color and it is green, grey and red colors also found. It is green, grey, yellow, red found. This turtle, and this is in a yellowish red color always found there. Okay. Then second and third we are compares with that. It is bigger head, it is a smaller head. It is live in a group, it is maybe alone sometimes. Then it is in a loggerhead sea turtle and it is a green sea turtle. Okay, understand all of you? See, so this is the discussion the comparison between two turtles. Okay, then ask other classmate. Okay, that we can't do here, but let me see further related to this. That lugger sea turtle is mostly in a more in a weight is more rather than a green sea turtle. It is a there is a more wet rather than a green sea turtle, and green sea turtle is a maybe sometimes seen that it is a small in size also and in a weight also less than a loggerhead sea turtle. Okay, then both body is too much hard, same equally. Okay, body is hard both of. Okay, understand all of you that what we will discuss in today. So we will discuss activity number 4, 5, okay, 4, 6 and 7 activity will done. About the very first activity, that is we see 4 types of snakes and related to of that. In activity number 6 we will learn that the Texas coral snakes, what is the we see in the Texas coral snakes that colors are there, which kinds of stripes are there, fan is there, which kinds of head is there, which kinds of nose, black color is there, okay, which kinds of tail it has. Then another number 7 activity we will discuss about the comparison between the two turtle, green sea turtle and logwood sea turtle. Both are totally different, but when we look at the first time, it is look the same. Okay, understand all of you? Let with this we have to finish our 7 activity also, and let me meet on a next class also. Okay, I hope all of you understand whatever we discuss here, and I hope all of you fine. Thank you. Let me meet again in a next class. Goodbye to all of you.